Today we are making this pencil stand. This is a pencil stand made by me. Look at in. Do you know how to make one? No? Then look at this video. So now we need two A4 sheets, one for making the stand and one for the covering at the bottom part, and a scissors to cut, a glue stick to paste, a pen to draw. What have I drawn here? Look, any pen. Now first A4 sheet and now fold it into half like this. Then again fold it half. Fold it half again. So now you see it's like this. Open up the corners. As you'll see a crease in the middle. Now fold this like into the middle crease. Again open it up. As you see, this is the A crease and this the B crease, and again fold it into half, but this time to the crease which you have just now made. Now you should have 3 creases. Now turn over the paper and draw a monster in the first big part, this big part. Turn over the paper from this to this. Now fold this crease to this crease. Look at here, this crease. Fold it. But this time don't open it up. Do not. Then fold it to the new D crease you have just made. Now this time don't unfold the paper. Let it be like that only. Now do like this upper parts. Make the upper part. Take a bit of the upper paper. And fold it. Press it nicely. Do the same for the down corner too. So fold it downwards. Open this crease like this. You open this paper and stuff this and fold. So now you're seeing that it's closed in look. Now do the same for the lower part. Now as you see, it's ready. Time for the next A4 paper to make the down part. It's full kali. Now we are gonna make it. Keep this aside. Now take the second A4 sheet. Take the scissor and take that which you have made and fold this into half. No need of that. Now fold this into half Like how have you done for that? Now take this thing. As you have seen, this came like this. Take the glue stick and stick those creases, so the folds, so that they don't come out. Now take this paper. Now fold it backward. Now it is coming like this. Take the glue stick and paste. So far it has been like this. But what to do for the next? Just follow me. Put it like this, and now take this corner and cut this part, and cut the top part. So far it has been like this. If you cut, now take it and stick a glue stick till here, like this. Now if you take the back, open this full sheet. Now paste it up. You see it is like this. Do the same for the other corner. Now you see what to do for this part. Take out the cut part that time and paste it over here. Now what to do with this part? Paste it up. Now you see it's like this. Cut off this part like this. Okay. Take this part and just fold both the sides and stick them together. It's a bag. It's a bag. I never knew that it's a bag. Now paste these two parts like this. Ta-da! It's all ready. I'm gonna put this glue to test it now. Oops, it's gonna dry. Or maybe, have an idea. You can either paste it by a tape. Now let's try it up once. Hilarious, it works. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share.